is a base with on fire. Okay, it's a huh? I can't listen. You can't listen Oh shit.
Come up to the
Oh,
front.
Okay, so Firebase is a database. It's a real-time database, and ignore this thing and ignore this thing. Okay, it's a NoSQL database. It's very easy to use. It's not your usual like you need to create. You don't need to know the SQL language because it's no SQL. So this one is the example for the. It's a database. It's an example for the JavaScript. So this 3 line is for no, it's actually 2 line only. So the first line and the second line you can connect to the database and write something to your database. Just 2 line. This one is JavaScript. Yeah. Which one? Okay, so it's look very simple, right? By the way, you need to import the Firebase JavaScript. Right? So it's a database. It's work on almost every platform. This one is JavaScript. So Android is support Android, iOS. What else?
PHP.
PHP you can use JavaScript. Right?
Oh, okay.
I think it's almost Ruby. I don't know. I forgot everywhere. I can use it for this thing for everywhere. And next thing, Firebase. Okay. And Firebase also provide free hosting, free. Okay. So normally where you host your thing? DigitalOcean or where?
Exabyte.
Okay.
IP71.
So there's a lot of hosting place, and since you're using the database, right? Firebase also provides hosting. So what you need to do is npm. So npm install all the internet. Right? So this thing is npm install Firebase too. So you install this thing, then you can deploy. Okay, so yeah, your final question is Firebase free? Free? Maybe. It's free for 100 connection at one time at the same time. So since it's real time, right? So like using WebSocket, so every 1 second we ping to the database to the Firebase. So if you create a chat app, so you can use a create Firebase this thing with if you build a chat app with this Firebase, like you can build it, I believe with Polymer you can build it like 15 to 30 minutes. A fully functional chat app. I'll show you later. And since it's real time, so yeah, you don't need to call again once like have any new message, any new incoming message. And it's free for limited but if you want to testing then okay. So how Firebase looks like? How database looks like? It's a very good question, but this is how database looks like. This my chat app is working, and this is how it's looks like. It's a JSON.
Oh, okay.
If you don't understand later, you understand because I'm going to show a demo later. Yeah, but okay. So how to use? Just like I show you, right? Just like I show you the 3 line, very simple 3 line JavaScript. So actually, I'm going to talk about Polymer later on. So Polymer, so there's an element for that. So what I'm going to do is copy paste. Let me finish. I'm going to talk about the Polymer right now. This thing look purple or pink? Green.
Start with the grass.
In my screen it's pink. This one is blue. Color problem, why? Okay, so just like talk about very intro to Firebase. So right now I'm going to talk about Polymer. Okay, this thing is very interesting. It's your love. You need to write.
Whoa.
Hey, what? Oh, deviation already.
No, it's Polymer.
Okay.
Polymer is love. It's so cool. Polymer, what is Polymer? Okay. You ever create a web app or website before? Yes, no.
No.
Even a very simple one. You want to put a hello world. You put a hello world, it's like so stupid, right? It's got some there. You need to put something nice. Then you add bootstrap, right? Use bootstrap. You want to style it nicely, right? So, but you want to build something like this. It's responsive from even from watch to phone to tablet to PC, even TV. you want to build something representative. You don't want to like have like m.facebook.com. You want a facebook.com that works for your watch, phone, desktop, TV, even what? I don't know. So, okay, if you want to build something with Bootstrap or anything without Polymer, this is how your code looks like. You don't want, right? So, okay, it's very complicated. This is like code from Genium. It's complicated. Actually, it's not complicated. It's repeat everything like a bit like funny, right? And people can't understand this thing. What if you use Polymer and you know what is Polymer? So how to use Polymer? Where's my side? Where's my side? Where's my side? Rather using this thing, right? Later I go back. I got a restaurant got problem. So this is what you normally use now. What if you change to something really cool? This thing. No, this is Polymer plus web component. So you can know menu button. Oh, so this thing is a button for the menu. This is the animated pages. So this page is animated. Okay, so I go back. Okay, so you need Polymer. How are you going to, like, okay, I have a blank page, right? I want to use Polymer. So first, I go to this, like this slide is elements.polymer.org. I'm going to show the link later. So you can get all the components here. What you're going to do is, okay, here's the case. I want to put anyone use Android before? Okay, Android, you have the toolbar and the bar on the top right. Okay, I want to do it. In Polymer, they call, because the thing is a bit messy design, right? And so called paper stuff, quantum paper or stuff like that. So it's called paper element. So I click on this paper element. Then so fast for me. Then I go to find my paper toolbar. So I import this paper toolbar. That's it. Import. Then I use it. I use paper toolbar. I copy paste this thing. Make sure you import. Then is what the output is like this. Simple, right? I didn't do any single line of CSS and JavaScript. This thing is responsive by default. So basically you don't need to memorize everything. You type, then you click, hey, done.
Wow.
Later I'm going to show the demo later with this thing. It's very cool, it's very lazy. It's happy for me because I'm going to remember everything. So for Chrome, you don't need to import this web components because web component is inside your Chrome already. But if your client is using Firefox, Internet Explorer. So
Let's skip.
okay, let's get okay. Right now, since this is web component and only like few modern browsers support this thing, like IE, it supports. So basically, if Internet Explorer supports this Polymer, right, then every browser is support. Okay, right? Cool, right? Make sure you import and how big is this thing? JavaScript 38.3 KB. Based on yesterday, right? Sometimes it's bigger, sometimes it's smaller. It's based on yesterday, so it's 38.3. Remember, if you're using Chrome, you don't need to import this thing, so 0 KB. So I want to create something like this. This bar is you see the animation at the end, click on it, the ripple effect. What you need to do is copy paste that. Simple, right? So yeah, let's go. So people like remember just now the code I showed you the Gmail one. It's so complicated. You're like, what? This one is so simple. If you don't want to use this thing, the ripple effect, I think you need to use what? A lot of CSS, right? Or JavaScript.
Animation or the stuff.
Yeah, you need animation. Yeah, the CSS animation is so fun. And you need to like maybe you go to Stack Overflow copy paste.
Yeah, WebKit.
But it's wastes a lot of time. Then you copy paste, sometimes not working, then the layout like something like. No, sorry, CSS is awesome, right? This one is very awesome. And there's a lot of components, so I'll show you this one. Normally we use this one, right? So we change to this. So it's more like human language, I can understand it. You normally what? DIF, yeah. Then class, then you use class to know what is this, what's that. But right now you don't need to use class to use this thing. And even you can create your own custom element. It's not limited to use the element that created by Google. This thing is developed by Google, so yeah, the quality is. Okay, so what is this? I still don't know. Okay. So imagine you're building a web, right? But what a lot of people is like right now you're using your phone, right? So you want to make the feel like web app, but it's actually a website, but it looks like Android app. So this thing is example. This is the Google Maps. Show something. You see this thing is a fact icon, is a fact. It's a floating action button. This one if you any Android developer here. No. Here. And if you're Android developer, you know this place. If you want to build this thing with Android, it's so mafan, right? What the Android library support, the Android design library support. I don't know what is that. It's very complicated. But with Polymer, you can create the same feeling, the same look, even with the same animation. But it's very easy. So this thing is a search icon. This one is an iron icon. This one is input, so it's materials that we call it paper input, wiper. Then it's a fact, so we call it paper fact. This one is the drawer. Actually, you can swipe like this. It's a drawer. You can swipe like. So the thing is called paper element, right? So right now I'm going to show paper toolbar. So just like I show you, I copy this thing like okay, I copy already. So the paper toolbar is import into the page already, right? It's running, but I haven't asked this thing to show anything. So I copy paste this thing, but this one come out. Just like that. But I put this thing in my head, this one in the body. Then this thing come out. Okay, I want to put this one the menu button, right? So I put the paper icon button. So yeah, done. And the value for this thing is called icon equal to menu. This one is menu icon, right? So it's equal to menu. Done. Easy, right? Ooh, easy, right? Happy, right? So okay, I want to do a bit complex. So you know this card layout, right? So it's called paper drawer panel. So there's a drawer here and the main here. What if this thing run in the mobile? The screen is smaller, it should be responsive, right? So in mobile, this thing should hide. So in mobile, in mobile it looks like this. So nice, right? So nice, right? You need to do everything, you know?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Copy, paste.
Yo, clap.
Very clap.
But don't tell your boss, you tell your boss, say, hey, don't need to go copy paste only, man. Okay, so yes, something like that. That's it. So you copy paste, and it's responsive, and it's fast, and it's even everyone can read the code. It's very easy to understand. Very easy to understand. Everyone use the Google Map. You have to put the Google Map inside the website, right? Anyone use that before?
Yeah.
Even the some say the MMU website, the Google Maps, right? They use the image. So go to Google Maps or Google.com, they take a screenshot and put it inside. So what? So okay, you want to go to like last time you did to go to Google Maps, then it's so complicated. It's something like this. Yeah, so long. You want to add a marker. Okay, so with Google Map. You put already, right? The map is here. It's showing right now. So default is where is I don't know, Silicon Valley? No. So okay, I put the latitude, longitude, that Silicon Valley, the San Francisco come out. Simple, right? You can understand this thing, right? This thing is Google Map. The latitude is here, longitude is here, close text done. The output, the background here. So I will put something more interesting, the pointer, the marker. Marker is a bit complicated to add, right? So what you need is add this thing Google Map marker. Put at the coordinate, what else? The title, if you hold on this thing, you should come out home. Yeah, just like that. So easy, right? It's very easy to understand, right? Yeah. Good on. Even later, like 2 years, you come back to your code, you still can understand. Okay. So remember, there's an element for that. You want to do this thing? Yes, that's an element. You want to do that thing? Yes, that's another element for that. That's the element. So here's a whole collection. This thing is green color. This thing is green color. Thanks to the best protector ever. The color is totally. Yes. This thing is blue. What else? I don't know. The color so funny one. So this is all the Google API. You know, if you use the Google API, so you need to go to where? Developer.google.com/ then don't know where. Then copy. You need to copy the HTML. Then you need to copy the JavaScript and confirm you don't understand the code. You just copy, paste, and use it. With Polymer, this future is here. Okay, another. This thing is quite interesting. This thing is called platinum element. You guys use Facebook, right?
Yeah.
Right. This week you got statistics. You use Chrome? Like yesterday or a few days ago, the Facebook.com is suddenly request your permission. Allow Facebook.com to show the push notification, right? You got to receive that thing, right? So the thing is, it's a bit out of topic, but I'm going to. Okay, how they do the push notification? They use service worker. Okay, service worker. If you don't know what is service worker, you can go to Google. Okay, Google. Don't be. So it's a service worker. Service worker is like one of the best example my friend like is for offline. So long time ago you use the app cache to make your site offline, right? But right now you can use service worker. App cache is very buggy, like it doesn't update or you need to handle this before. So this is service worker. Well, the best part is you can push notification. It support push notification, but only you have one limitation. Your site must have HTTPS. So what, you can get the free HTTPS on what? Let's encrypt.com or where? Or the Cloudflare also provide the free HTTPS. And if you want to use service worker without Polymer, the code is super long. You copy paste it, confirm got some weird bug, and you can't understand. And use platinum element, you copy paste, done. The service worker is running, it's registered to your Chrome, and everything is working. Okay, so there's a lot more, and this file is developed by Google, and still a lot of element is created by other developer. So where custom element.io. So example time, you don't know when to use this Polymer, right? This thing is so new. They released that 2 years ago, but this thing is become stable in this June during Google I/O. They released the Polymer 1.0. Last time it's Polymer 0.8 and 0.5. It's super buggy, it's super slow. If you use it, you confirm cry. The thing is slow until and like Internet Explorer is not support. Here you cannot use that. Then for what? Then they update it to Polymer 1.0 during this June. Right now it's 1.2, 1.3, or 1.4 already. Right now it's very fast, very stable, and the example is not here. Where's my number? Where's my number? Where's my number? Yes, this is an example. You know this thing, right? What's that? It's an event page. Is last month.
What event man?
What? I chill more. You ask JT, not me. This people is JT, not me. Okay, so it's something happened very near. Magic is you see this side, right? Yeah, and just like Google Map, right? Google Map with Google Map. What else? This button is red color, and actually there's a ripple effect. You can see, right? Ripple effect. Yeah, I use the paper button. That's it. Yeah, I create this thing. What else? Yeah, this thing, right? This is called paper cut. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. What else? My website. Yeah, take a shot.
Oh yo! I can see something like.
Okay, this thing is of course I use Polymer to create this thing. Else I won't show you, right? So see the animation. Yeah, animation, I didn't use like any single line of CSS. What I use is another element called neon animation. I copy paste the neon animation. Just not got the animated images, right? I copy that thing, copy paste into my site, and done. The animation come already. So simple. You don't need to even touch the CSS. I think this site I didn't use I didn't touch single line of JavaScript. Yes, oh yeah. Only like 4 or 5 lines the JavaScript to initialize this button. So you, how to say, make this state active during you load this page. That's it. And this thing, right? You see, there's a lot of project here, right? Okay, normally if you use Bootstrap, right, or non-Polymer, you need to copy, paste, and edit the information, right? What I did is, I only show one that I will repeat. It's called dot repeat. And this right? Yeah, just you see all the project, right? It's in a JSON file. It's the Ajax, the dishwasher or what? The Ajax, right? It's this Ajax. So Ajax, so there's a lot of items. So we repeat, and show it.
It's like Angular.
So like a bit pomp, right? Recycle everything. If you know the Android developer, you know the recycle view, right? I have to show you something. The side finish of where iron. Where's iron? Then where's the iron? Hey, where's iron? Here's iron. Let's see the demo, okay? There's a lot of items here, right? If you scroll until tomorrow, this list is still very finished. You see, since this thing is so long, right? You scroll. Okay, let me scroll. Yeah, you see, it's so long, right? If you want to render this thing, it's like you waste a lot of performance. It's very lag, right? Since this thing is stored in the JSON, but what you need is this iron list, and let's see. You can see this, the translate stuff, right? If I scroll very faster, okay. You can see this thing, right? So this thing is similar to the Android, the recycle view. It only renders the list once you scroll into the viewpoint. Okay, right? So you scroll into that viewpoint is what you see, then it only renders. So
Nice.
Yeah, see, it's rendering. So you render, then throw away, like it's too down already and throw away. So it's same thing with the same module with the recycle view. This thing was one of my favorite course moments. What else? So it's the time. What time already? Right until 12:50, right? Then 12:50 is lunchtime, right? So I'm late then. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, so this thing is Polymer-project.org. If you want to learn or get any information or update or any stuff, go to this URL and this official website for Polymer. And this guy is very interesting guy. Thanks to this guy, I get this slide completely from him. This is not mine. So I only take it and I remove some few slides that I can't understand. I remove it and only that. Those I know. Okay. Okay. So this guy is quite funny. It's quite good. You can find him on Slack on Twitter. It's called Bob. So you got nothing to do, right? You want to learn Polymer, right? Learn Polymer. Yeah, learn Polymer, and you got nothing to do, right? I don't know. So you guys know Slack is a chat, is a IRC stuff, right? So we got a Slack group for this thing for Slack. Then you can see it's online, just now, 10:43 online. Yeah, so nice, right? So basically, it's our our private Stack Overflow. Go to Stack Overflow, it replies so slow. So us here is like instant reply. That depends on the time zone. Because those guys from Europe, US, so yeah, you ask during that time, expect them to reply in like 15 minutes. So it's very fast. So yeah, it's a challenge. Yeah, yeah. Okay, what else? Wait. Polymer.slack.com. How to join? Later I update all the link, all the listing on my website, and you can read on me. Yeah, where? Yeah, I got a BarCamp Cyberjaya. Yeah, so I'm going to paste the link here and paste the link here. Okay, so you don't need to copy. Oh, what developer copy then? So you go to here. But you need to copy this thing. You can read down here. This is what you need to copy. Then you don't know then. Then what else? Okay, it's time to show you some code. Okay, so Firebase. That's how I mentioned Firebase already. Then after I start the Polymer, I didn't mention the Firebase like one time also. So it's time to mix two things, combine together. And I said like Firebase have their own element, right? So okay, this is an example. I don't care. Okay, so let me tell you. Not now. So okay. You know this thing? You know this thing? I play the video first. Because I yes, I love you, Protector. The color so nice. This website is super nice. You played this thing before?
Oh, yeah.
Nice, right? And this thing is built with web. WebGL is the WebGL. And what you say is Polymer. Polymer. Yes, they use Polymer to build this site. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I see. This one is timer. This one is code. Okay. This one is example. Where's my code? I'm going to show you. One thing. If you got nothing to do, right? Go to this YouTube channel. You subscribe. Hey. So you subscribe, right? Scroll down. You want to learn everything about web. So this supercharge is talk about to supercharge your website. So it teaches you how to speed up your website. Your website is slower, and your new website is so slow. Okay, and this one is Christmas. Spatial is a rubbish. It's a Merry Christmas. Something rubbish. And this one is my favorite. Is Polycast with that frog. So it teach Polymer here. So that's right now is how many already? I don't know. Where's my mouse? Right now they got 37, right? So they got 37 video right now, and you can here you can learn Polymer from here actually. Video lah. And this one is HTTP 2.3 is not about web. Okay, very good. Watch yourself. This one also quite nice. This one totally tuning tips. Out of here. Okay. This one is talk about if you use subline, you definitely should watch this thing. Not they talk about all the tips like this thing right. Show you. Where's my subline? Okay, I want to example. If I want to import, you can see the code. I want to import a paper toolbar. Remember, right? So you need to what? Link, then import, then the URL so long. Then what I need to type is HIP hit. Then I click the head. Repeat again. HIP. Then I click the head. Done. So just like what paper toolbar, right? A toolbar how to spell? T-O. Oh, come on already. Oh, T-O-O-L-B-A-R. Yeah, done. I don't need to memorize anything. So stupid, right? So cool. Then after I want to use right, then I want to use what? Paper toolbar. Paper. Paper fab. Your favorite, right? Paper fab. Yeah, the icon. Then, if you use it, make sure you import first. Import then use it. Okay. So what else? So demo time. I go to subscribe this thing and they got an event. This Polymer submit this last few months ago. And so I got something very cool from them, and I got a few gifts to give to you. Okay, got a sticker. Polymer sticker you want, right? Swag, right? Yes, I got swag. Wow, I give you like someone to ask question, then I give you a thing. Okay. Then I go to subscribe it. You know this thing. They didn't explain to me. Okay, do that. Okay, it's demo time. Where's my demo? Okay, normally it's like hello world. Okay, I want to build something like this. This is a to-do list. Show with a database. This is a database. Is actually it's where this one is this part is here. Exactly the same. I can see Obama is here. Obama. Then haha. Then meow. Abu. Okay then. Okay. So what is just like I mentioned, this Firebase is real time, right? What if I type something and I click add, so real time here should come or something. This one is Firebase, not my local host. So I click Abu again. Then I click enter. Yes, it's come out already. You see the green color. Yeah, Abu come out already. In fact, it's forced by default. Right? Then I click become a where's Abu. Then I click Salah. Abu again, right? Then Abu again is true. True. So nice, right? If I delete it, bye bye Abu. Bye bye. Go. So this is real time. So you can create a chat app. Chat. Okay, Salah already. Why I show you my database? Wait. It's a chat app. Yes. Wait, I need to log in. I need to log in. Yeah. Yeah, it's an app, right? If you go to this link, chat with me, chat dash with me 2183.firebase.com. So you are so long. Then you can chat with your friend or chat with me. So hello BarCamp. Yeah. So if you go to this website, then you log in, then you can see I say hello, or maybe if someone fast enough, then can chat here. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do, you want to see demo?
Yeah.
Come on, demo, right? Demo code, right? If you cannot understand, you cannot understand. If you can understand, you listen. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I want to redo this thing. Not this thing. I want to redo this to-do list. What I have is hello world, from hello world to this with paper cut, this button with liquid effect, the toolbar, then we'll connect to the Firebase. I ignore the 10 minutes. After that, makan time, then you can relax. So okay lah. So let's do it. Where's my sample? Where's the okay, so this is the code. Okay. Don't worry, all the resources I will upload this thing. Okay. This one, they upload this thing on what? code-labs.io. So you can get this. I get the raw document from the shop because in case the network here is like very slow. Okay, so what you need is boxing match. That's for 10 minutes, right?
Ding 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 ding.
Okay, no problem. Okay, hello world, just remember the hello world, right? So I'm going to add something, okay? So first thing first, I don't care about the CSS, so I uncomment this thing. So I import the CSS already. Remember the web components, just in case I import that. Okay, so we got the web components already, right? And so it's here. Okay. Right now, what I'm going to do, I save that. Okay, see this document asks me to do what? Okay. Right now I need to do a to-do app. So right now I don't want to connect to the database. I need show from an array and store in an array. That's on this locker, the internet. So what I need to do is I need to build I need somewhere to type the text, right? So I need the input. I don't want to use the HTML and input, so then I need to start it manually. I want the return back. I want everything. So I use paper input. So HIP hit, then paper input. Okay. Okay, already input already, right? Okay. Input done. Import done already. Then what I need to do is I want to do the layout. So what I need to do is copy this. Copy. Paste right. Okay, done. Back to scroll. Refresh, working or not? That's so slow. Ah, the what is this called? This thing called? The paper input come out already. You see the animation. With the color one. So nice, right? Okay, I insert the paper toolbar also, right? Hit paper toolbar. Hit paper toolbar. So just out the paper toolbar, right? Put where, like here. What? Paper toolbar. Paper toolbar. Paper toolbar. Then that already, no? And this is what? Plus is equal to title. Abu. Then I refresh again. Yes, Abu come out already. Abu. Abu is here. So nice. So easy. Abu is here. I didn't do any similar of CSS. This thing, I only do a CSS is for like the margin. Before it's like a bit got 2 or 3 pixels, right? I set to 0. This is what I set in the start of CSS. Ignore the thing. It's not important. Looks nicer, but what it is working, right? Okay. So right now okay, right now this thing is almost done. What I need to do, ignore this CSS, ignore. Okay, what I need is JavaScript. It's time for JavaScript. For those who know JavaScript, then you cry. Okay, if you don't know JavaScript, if you want to try to play with Polymer, then you can create your own landing page, right? You go to GitHub and create a new account. You don't need to pay any single cent, right? Then you get the free hosting from GitHub. So you go like abu.github. abu.github.io. So you got your own domain. It's free. Then you can try to play with this Polymer. Then you have your own Abu page. Okay, right now I'm going because I want to demo the Firebase, so I need some JavaScript. So this is a JavaScript that they are copy paste up. This one they got bug, but fix it. They got bug. It's not bug, it's typo like on this document. Yeah, fixing yesterday. I tried. How come cannot? Got typo. Okay, so this query selected ID add. So where is the ID? ID equal to add. So you call this thing, right? So this thing is become the add. So later I can call it add. Right. So let's scroll down. Okay, you see there's this is an array, right? So the array is called. Can you see this thing? No? Yes. No, right? Make it bigger. Then you see in front, you cannot see it, so you come in front. Yeah. Don't come in front, space, then come in front. If you cannot see, you can come in front. Ignore the 10 minutes, it's like 5 minutes only, not 10 minutes. Okay, so, but, in Polymer, it's actually not Polymer, there's something called data binding. You buy the data, you bind the data. You buy, how to buy? You buy, okay, like in this case, I got 2 items, right? So this is the first one and the second one. So I want to stack the minimum. So I don't want to repeat my code here. So what I use is this don't repeat. So I repeat how many times I got 2 items, right? Then repeat 2 times. So the value is what? The value is this thing item.done, item.text. So it's here the done and text. Okay, so if I copy this thing, and paste it to this JavaScript paste, okay, then I go to this thing, refresh, it should come out. Yeah, come out already. So nice, clap. Yay. Okay, but right before I forgot to import new thing. Okay, back to my HTML. You can see there's a paper icon, paper checkbox. What else? So I need to import a paper paper icon and paper checkbox. So I need to import, should I hit paper, paper button? Then you need to import, right. Need to import the paper checkbox, checkbox, then some, you know what else I can that's just the iron list, right? It's iron element, so I use hash he, where's he? Outside, he. We got a community called he. Hash yeah, exactly. So iron icon, some says iron, I don't know. See, I refresh should icon come out of the checkbox? Yes, it's come out by the icon. It's just not, of course I forgot to import the checkbox, my thing. Checkbox. Icon S here. I don't know. 那个很好。OK 了，then here got S maybe. S okay, ignore the thing. So it's data binding now. So it's something my array change, right? It should come out. So I write this thing Abu. Abu only then because I haven't add the JavaScript for add this thing. Back to my code. So I didn't add this add item. So what I need to do is copy paste. Hey, but seriously, I use this. This thing is to do list, to do app, something like Google Keeps, right? I reuse this code to create. Just now I showed the chat with me, right? Basically, I use this exactly the same code. I copy paste, I modify a bit, and tweak a lot of UI to CSS, then bam, another thing come out already. It's totally different, but with almost the same code. Lazy, right? But it's working, what? Then working okay, no? So I paste this thing. See, paste. You can try this at home. Here also can. Or cafe also can. If you want to go to the warehouse, try it. Can. I told you it's working okay. Let's see. Any error there? So Abu again, Abu finish work. Abu come out with it. You see, Abu come out with it. Yeah. Okay. But the problem is right now is I haven't seen this thing to the database, right? So what I need to do is connect Firebase. Let's connect something. Firebase. It's so bad. Here got some speaker, right? Okay, play the video what the firewall. Okay, right now I need to use Firebase, right? So first thing first, I need to go to Chrome, go to firebase.com, Star Wars. The Star Wars come on Facebook, okay. Firebase is so nice, right? The website. So, okay, log in. Yeah, log in. Wait. Log in already. Yeah, I tested this thing yesterday, so I want to make sure. So, okay, right now I need to get our name. So, what's the name? Abu, BarCamp Abu. Yes. BarCamp Abu. Okay, BarCamp Abu. So later you can go to barcamp-abu.firebase.com. So you will see this. Okay. So I create a new app, a new database. Okay, and you go to see this page. Very relax. So let's go. The Wi-Fi is working. Okay, right now, okay. Come on, already, right? He is here. He, the hash I, he. Okay. Right now you can see the database is totally empty, right? So I need to enable this thing. Okay, back to this thing. Okay, what I need to do is import the Firebase element. Import. So back to my code. What just how I go here, right? I comment this thing. So you can see because I use vowel to import all the stuff, so you can see it's vowel components, then the element called Firebase element, then string file called Firebase. That's it. Okay, so I import already, right? Then then what I need to do, is I copy this thing. This thing you also can copy from the Polymer site. You should copy this thing, okay? You should not write your own because this thing is fixed there by the. You need to copy this thing, okay? Please copy. No point to write your own one. So I copy paste here. So is the Firebase authentication is asked this thing to auto log in, and if it didn't log in right, it should redirect. It should redirect, and the location is point to Firebase URL that I'm going to do later, and the provider is later. Then if error, it should run some error. If case like error, it should run this function error. If login, then it should run this function login. Okay, so I need to declare this URL and provider, right? Back to my Java script. If you want to paste here, also can have another one. Because here ask me to do like that. So I copy this thing, it's just like the Firebase URL and the provider. So I copy, paste here, save, then what is my BarCamp update. Copy this URL back to here. My Firebase name is BarCamp Abu. Okay, yeah. It should connect to database without writing or anything like that. Let me see. Just like it's only 2 so I refresh. Yeah, so many things. I can see where just about it. I can see the Firebase. So small one. See, this one is the one. If you can see, I can see this one is barcamp-abu.firebase.io.com/.ws stands for WebSocket. Yes, Firebase is using WebSocket. That's why how can ignore that? It's really like lunchtime already, right? Yeah. And then you can makan lunchtime, I say 2, right? Then you can makan later, okay? So I comment, it's not HTTP, but it's the WSS WebSocket. I think someone is going to talk about WebSocket later, right? Okay, maybe you should join them. I don't know. Okay, so it's connect already. Okay, it's something they got problem or remember just now if the Firebase login already, if the Firebase error, right, it should run a function, but I haven't pasted the code. So what I need to do, so it proved that the code, the Firebase stuff is working, it's connected to the Firebase, okay?
Sorry, short pause. We are serving lunch now, so whoever of you who wants to get lunch, you can go ahead and go back to the hall just now to grab the lunch. If you decide to stay, you also can go ahead and stay.
Yeah, if you want sticker, stay here. then you don't know like, how come he got sticker, I don't have I'm missing a few. So, here is the Firebase, if error or login, so okay, I'll copy paste. I copy paste. And luckily I have fixed the code. Okay, so I copy paste, so the error should not come out anymore. So let's see. Yeah, it's connected, then nothing happened, right? Right now what I need to do, I need to make this thing moving, right? So if I write anything, it should update here, but right now nothing, right? So I need to copy paste again. So okay, so it's logged in already, right? Then you find a new Firebase to URL. Then ask it to update the items, right? I update items because you show something. When I got 2 array there, when a new user should empty, right? That's the array. So that's an array, right? Then I can go. This is for testing, right? So I go this, make it empty by 3 that. Then where is the update it. Okay, if I refresh this page, it should come up for someone. Because my database is empty. So I refresh, things are blocked. This no. No, this is working, so empty already. Yeah, okay, so what I need to do is write something into the database, okay? Write something. So what you need to do is add item. So add item, this one is only pushed to the array, not to the Firebase. So what you need to do is copy paste. Paste here. Paste. Okay, I'll copy this in a Google and if I paste here, it should work, right? Yes, that's all. What is this? If I refresh, got some right. Okay, then I put this in here, then see what They say Abu, it should come out something I should. Yes, come out already, so fast, right?
Hey.
Wait, extend now. Abu come out already, then if I click, the dash should be true, right? If I click. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's correct. So I click, then become false. Yes, it's working. So what I need to do is I mentioned the hosting, right? Firebase got provide free hosting free. You want free stuff, right? So I need to deploy this thing. It's done already the code. So what I need to do is deploy this thing to Firebase for free. What I need to do is open this thing. Open this thing. How do you use Windows? I don't know. I normally use Ubuntu, so because sometimes Ubuntu will be a bit funny or a bit buggy, then I don't want my presentation go problem. It got my picture here, no. Okay, so demo, then use this. Okay, I'm going to use this. So use this. Okay, use this. So what I need to do is Firebase insurance. Firebase IMP. Really? Really? I think so. Let's see. Wait up. How come not working? Wait up. What happened? Okay, then I need to choose my Firebase, right? The problem is, thanks, I love Windows, and use arrow key, then the arrow is not working. Windows problem, it's not Firebase problem, so that's another way. So Firebase T minus F, my what is BarCamp Abu, right? BarCamp Abu. So wait, yeah, okay. Answer, okay, done already, insurance. So everything should be inside the public folder. So I move to the folder. What else? Cut, paste. Okay, and then everything is inside already, right? So what I need to do is deploy this thing to Firebase. How? Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy. Enter and wait, that's it. Wait. Hey, got any question? Later. Wait, depends on the network. I can't do anything, it's uploading. Then you can, okay, you ready your phone, you can go to barcamp-abu.firebaseapp.com. So you can try or use it. Yeah, it's uploading. Uploading, almost done. Then you can use Firebase open to open the URL. Okay, you see Firebase open, right? Then I click, cannot click, then Firebase open. Okay, Firebase open, enter. Yes, Microsoft. Nice try. Got someone, you need to wait, I don't know why. Come out already, so happy. So, yes, it's on Firebase Abu. Okay, so you can say ha ha ha. But it's only work for me, because it's just like put the ha ha there already, right? So if I go back to where? Where's my database? Where's my database? And where? There you can see. How come so many users? Oh no, the wrong. Wait, where? The wrong database. This one, BarCamp Abu. Don't put your password inside. So we got 3 users right now. This one is called Hello Henry. That's how I put the ha ha ha, so it's here. So someone got put something and see what. Quite happy people laugh. So it's working, you see, people can actually use this thing, right? So that's it. Cool, right? Firebase, and it's free. Polymer is free, everything is free. You can save money. You can try this thing maybe tomorrow. Or today Saturday, right? Okay, so any question? Yeah, got new user too. Lala. So you want sticker, right? Yeah. But I only got a few. Then how? But wait, this thing, this is our one. You guys not going to sell this thing. I'm going to give you about only one. It's a Rubik's. It's a Rubik's. If you go to watch YouTube, only I go to Google, what Polymer, Polypass. This thing, right? Image. How come not only one? You see this image, right? Wait, I'm scrolling. You can see this cute thing, right? Yeah, this thing. You want? You want? You want? I start committing. You want? For free. You want? Really? You want? Okay, ask me a question.
Okay.
Have they compared Polymer with other similar kind of things like Angular or React?
It's two different things. It's actually different thing. Polymer is not a framework. Angular is framework, right?
What about React or Vue.js?
It's still Polymer is basically it's a web component. It's like Lego brick. So how to say it's a okay. Polymer this is very hard to explain. Okay, even he also don't know how to explain. Not he, not that he. He, not you. He. Wrong. So people, a lot of people still keep asking, hey, what is Polymer? Hey, what is Polymer.js? No, Polymer is not Polymer.js. Polymer is the library. That is a bunch of web components combined together, and that's it. So, okay, you compare the rate like performance, you mean?
In terms of flexibility of your data binding or your state management and things like that.
It's smaller. Polymer is smaller compared to like
But,
although you can make the two exactly same thing with the Angular material, right? And you can use the Polymer paper. You can actually create the same, exactly the same thing. But the performance Polymer is faster. And when you need to import the Angular.js, right? The JavaScript file is a bit big compared to Polymer that doesn't require anything.
Yeah, but Polymer doesn't do data binding and data
Yeah, it's
MVB framework, right?
Yeah, it's a DOM, right? It's a what shadow DOM stuff. Yeah, shadow DOM.
Can we use it with like Ruby or something?
Huh?
Can we use it with Ruby or something? Ruby Rails or Ruby.
Okay. Yes. Can. Why not? It's the library you can use. You can use Angular on Angular. You can use React.js Angular.
yeah, I have a question in terms of SEO. Is Polymer considered more semantic because you have all these restricted, let's say like another JavaScript library?